Good morning! Today is a Sunday, August 3. Swimming day for today. Let's go! Peace! Hey guys! 30 minutes, swim, done. Tomorrow, half day. Bye! See you tomorrow. Peace! Good afternoon! Tangin, sobrang tirik na araw. Walaan nyo saan punta natin. Hello? Paano nyo nalaman? Punta tayo ng Vermosa. Track day tayo for today. Usually kapag speed session ko talaga, pupunta ako sa Vermosa. Kasi na-experience ko na yung tumatakbo lang dito sa village ng mabilis. Tapos may napakan akong bato. Ayun, tapilok malala, injury. So simula nun, halos lahat ng speed session ko so ako na ginagawa. Takot nga sa injury. Lang. See you after. Bye. Peace. Alam mo yung nakakaburat dito. Hindi ko napindot yung record. Akala ko this full time naka-timelapse yung ano ko. Yung track session ko, hindi pala siya. Pero anyway, so yun, track session done. Pero po, mga katao-tao. Ako lang nandito. Kaya minsan, kahit na sobrang init, na-enjoy ko to kasi tama naman, solong-solo ko yung track for myself. Walang kaagaw, diba? Anyway, yun lang. Tomorrow is buhat day. See you. Bye-bye. Peace. Good morning guys. Today is August 5, 10 a.m. and it is a Tuesday. So what we're gonna do today is a dumbbell focused buhat day. So let's go. Peace. Hello guys, so time check, it's 11:16 in the morning. Tapos na tayo with our buhat day. Ligo na lang, rest day tomorrow. So I'll see you guys on Thursday. Peace. Good morning. Zone to run for today. Let's go. Hello guys, 30-minute recovery done. Morning. Sana mag-September na, putik. Naiinip na ako. Medyo nagsisimula na ako mabore sa 30 minutes daily ko. Gusto ko na ng legit na training. Anyway, yun lang. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Peace.